What's up, guys? This is my friend Quinn, and we are printing a soprano saxophone mouthpiece that I'm gonna try out. So Quinn's gonna tell you about it.
This is the model we want to do. Wendy said he would win 72, and Luke wants us to do this one. So I downloaded the file, and I opened it in the slicer.
It's the .06 inches tip opening.
This slicer, it's software that converts the 3D file into tool movements for the 3D printer. So this basically just tells 3D printer what motors to move when. For those of you interested, I have a Prusa i3 Mark III. It's right there. We're gonna do PLA. We're gonna do 1 millimeter layer height and a 0.4 nozzle, and it should be about 3 hours. Yeah, pretty normal. At 100% infill. That's one more. Yeah, that's the last thing.
So we got a brim on the bottom there, so it doesn't tip over. Just starting to flare out.
Yeah, the one thing I'm seeing is the first layer height's just a little too low, so I'll just change that for the next print. But it doesn't really matter because I can just deburr that because it's a circle.
You can see the logo now. Progress check number 3. It's coming along. All right, the mouthpiece has come out. There's a couple blemishes because the nozzle was dirty, but overall it appears to be pretty solid. So now we're in the process of wet sanding the table to get it flatter so that the reed can stick on there, but it doesn't look too bad. Quinn's locked in.
I am locked in.
Sanding montage. The table's feeling a lot smoother now, and we're starting to hit the facing curve a little bit with the sandpaper too. This is 600 grit we're starting with. And this is 1200 grit now. And it's pretty smooth already, and we're gonna get it a little more finished. So there's kind of this sharp edge at the bottom of the mouthpiece here, and we're hitting that with the file now. Right, so we got it finished up with the soprano reed on there. It's late, but I'm gonna do a little play test, just the mouthpiece. It appears to work. It's responding quite well, which tells me we did our job of refacing and sanding well. All right, we're at the music store. Got the mouthpiece, and I'm testing it on this Allura Soprano. Whoa, that was really good. Okay. All right, let's tune it. Okay, so at first it was playing like really flat all the way over, so I pushed the mouthpiece in as far as I can. Now I have enough flexibility to be able to get every note in tune. I will say on this soprano, the E flat key like barely opens. That's all it opens. So that note's gonna be really flat, but that can be adjusted. I don't play soprano, so my playing is also just not that in tune. But the mouthpiece feels fantastic. Like, I really like the sound that I'm getting out of it. So we're gonna try the nicer soprano now. We're on the Yamaha 475 soprano. I expect much better from this. I mean, the key work already feels a lot better. Okay, first sounds. Overall, I'm very happy with the mouthpiece. It's the first mouthpiece I've played that actually has jazz geometries, so it felt great. I'm going to be using it to try out a soprano whenever I find a good one to buy. So overall, yeah, I loved the mouthpiece. Thank you for watching.